Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through and change the font size in PyCharm of the text. This one right here. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you will open up your settings. You already know that how to do that. Now we will go under the editor, and right here you will see the third one, font. Click on that. And now you can see here we have font type, so we can choose that how we like it, something like that. And we can also change here the size. So if we go with 20 or if we go with 14, line height we can also adjust. And yeah, typography, we have also typography settings here, nothing special. And yeah, this is how we can change the font. So if we now type something in, for example, but if this thing doesn't work directly, you just need to restart your PyCharm or the whole computer, and then it will work. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.